All right, I'm gonna fake him that I'm gonna kick it. I'm gonna go tee. Oh. See? What's up everyone, Karue here, and today we're gonna practice together. We're out here at UCLA, my alma mater. I'm getting ready for a 25K in Ohio next week, so I figure I'll bring you guys along a practice session. What am I doing to get nice and sharp? What I like to do before tournament. So today we're gonna do just that. And we're just jumping right to it, playing a little bit down the middle here just to warm up. I don't love to stay hitting down the middle for too long. To be honest, it's not realistic, but gotta groove it out a bit. It's a good ball. All right, so first thing I like to do is just to get moved around a little bit. So it's moving me around anywhere. I'll go big middle. Gotta work the legs, gotta get the playing on the move feeling. None of that stationary stuff. Just trying to survive. I can hit some quality balls. Trying to get some depth here. Oh yeah. Apologize for the breathing. So next thing I like to do almost every practice, we're gonna go cross, and I'm just gonna be looking to hit a shot down the line, either aggressively, with height, doesn't really matter. I just like to really work on changing directions, because in a match you never play like 10 balls in a row to the same side. You're always moving the ball around. So staying sharp with the crosser, with the direction control is very important. Good shot selection. Stay cross still, can't do much there. And can go on that one. Not the best shot, but again, just finding the range. Take some balls early. Oh, I'm gonna go. Yeah, took that early. And really, obviously not only focusing on that down the line, but creating some pain in the cross, right? If I was playing a point, I need to do something cross to then hit down the line. Oh. No, no. Oh, that was so bad. Woo. Definitely looking for something, you know, that lands right past the service line or after the service line. That would be a good green light to go down the line. Or just play safe cross. That one didn't take early enough. That's a good ball. Fuck. Well played by him. Good job. The goal for him is to not let me do it. You know what I mean? It's not to just give me easy balls. That was more of a change of direction. Wasn't necessarily I'm gonna put that ball away. A little more height on it. That's a tough ball, of course. Fine. Always picking, when I go down the line, picking a shot. I feel like you push towards that down the line. There you go. All right, that's it for that. Before we continue the lesson, shout out to today's video sponsor, Element. Element is a tasty electrolyte mix with everything you need and nothing you don't. That means all the salt and no sugar. Element contains a science-backed electrolyte ratio with none of the junk. That means no sugar, no coloring, no artificial ingredients, no fillers, no BS. Electrolytes facilitate hundreds of functions in the body, including conduction of nerve impulses, hormonal regulation, nutrient absorption, and fluid balance. Element can also help prevent and eliminate headaches, muscle cramps, fatigue, sleeplessness, and other common symptoms of electrolyte deficiency. And as I'm competing professionally again, my body needs to be in tip-top shape. Element is helping me with that. Right now, Element is offering you guys, my viewers, a free sample pack with any order. This is a great way to try all the great Element flavors. So get yours right now at drinkelement.com. This deal is only available through my link. So you gotta go to drinklmnt.com/mytennishq. Thanks again, Element, for supporting the channel and helping me stay fit out there on court. Link is in the description. Get yours right now. Play some baseline games, very basic stuff today. I'm gonna stay cross until he opens up line or he misses the ball into the left side of the court, the backhand side of the court, and we play it out. So kind of my goal is to not let him change very easily, right? Keep the ball deep and long, make it as hard as possible for him to get the ball to the down the line. And if he does happen to go down the line, goes to really use my legs, get there, keep the point alive. So very basic stuff. You change line there with not a lot of quality. It's an easy ball for me to just rip across. All right, lost that point, but got there. Made him play an extra one. Here, let's play to 5. Here you go, starting now. Oh no. 1-0. I like to play to like 4 or 5, not very long games. So it adds a little bit of pressure, you know, you can't just make 1-2 bad mistakes, you're already down the hole, so. with the broken string. All right guys, finishing the practice now. I'm gonna turn off this camera right here, keep the other one recording. We're just gonna play a couple games each, not a full set, but just a few games each to finish. Easy practice today. I'm just kind of getting back into it after a couple days off. So yeah, we'll play a few games. I'm gonna keep this microphone right here. I'm gonna talk about some certain things that I need to be kind of watching for next week. We're gonna play indoors and all that. So yeah, stay tuned. Keep your volume up because I'm going to be talking as we play. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. All right, so just serving a couple games here. Next week playing indoors, so serve and return is going to be really key to success. So really work on that, take any opportunities to come to the net. Let's just let it fly. Opportunities, those first shots, you gotta have conviction. Gotta have conviction on the first shot. If you serve well, if you have an opportunity inside the court, you gotta have conviction. Wide down the line. I'm gonna fake him that I'm gonna kick it. I'm gonna go tee. So something I've been working on is having like a very clear shot that I want to hit. It's almost telling myself out loud during practice. I'm telling myself out loud what kind of shot I want to hit in each shot. Even if it's just chill, put the ball right down the middle. I'm gonna show you here. Cross, chill cross, chill cross, down the line. My mind is made very, very quickly. That's crazy. Oh my God, right in the body. Wow, what a bad game. Let's do a breaker to finish. Back and back and. Oh, chill. Chill cross. There you go. Oh, side in. Especially in the shots that have a little bit more time to think. Sometimes we often don't make the decision. We have too much time. Make up your mind, go at it.